Here we will write a program to print sum of first 10 natural numbers using Python. So first we'll open the IDE, then we'll add new file, and in command line we'll write the description. First we'll define variable sum, which is initialized with 0, and then we'll define n, which is initialized with 1. Then we will use while loop. So while n less than or equal to 10, then we will use while loop. So while n less than or equal to 10, we will add sum equal to sum plus n, and then we will increase n. So n equal to n plus 1, and after completing while loop we will print it. So print f for formatting sum of first 10 natural numbers as sum. Then we will save it, sum of number dot py, and we will save it, and then we will execute it. It will print sum of first 10 natural numbers. Here we can print the numbers also. So with print f for formatting, and we will print n, and then again we will execute it. It will print first 10 numbers, and then lastly sum of first 10 natural number is 55.